I will fucking throw something at you.
God damn, it stinks over here, Mitchell.
I don't even
Ah.
wanna know.
It's quite for the best. So I think I finished. Okay, yeah, cool. I did finish a.
So, if you watched all the way through the credits of this,
No.
what was that little cutscene at the end?
Where they're at the base?
Yeah.
At the airbase? I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's just setting up
Spoilers.
the next game.
I don't know if it's setting up the next game.
Yo, can you not shit in your fucking mic, kid?
Yo, can you like shut the fuck up? You ripped ass in your mic and I don't appreciate it.